saving, opening, and deleting a recipe. Launching the program. Launch WinMix using one of the known methods. Via the desktop shortcut. Or through the Start menu. Saving a new recipe. Create a new recipe. To save it, open the recipe menu, save, or press Ctrl+S. In the dialog box, enter the recipe number and name. The number is generated automatically but can be changed. Click OK to confirm the save. Saving while working. To prevent data loss, save your recipe regularly. Select a recipe save. Or click the Save button on the toolbar. Or use the Ctrl+S keyboard shortcut. Opening a recipe. To open a recipe. Open a recipe open, or click the Open button on the toolbar. In the Open Recipe dialog box, you will see the Recipe menu on the left and the Recipe table on the right. Select the recipe type to view all available options. Double-click the recipe or select it and press OK. Deleting a recipe. To delete a recipe. Open a recipe open. In the Recipe table, select the recipe you want to delete. In the Organize tab, select a Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes. In this lesson, you have learned how to save new and modified recipes, open existing ones, and delete them.